You just come across one of the 1% good guys.
Oh, you're the 1%.
Yeah.
You look like a red flag, though.
What do you mean? What do you mean?
Yeah, you look like a little player.
Movan pile! Jones a movan pile!
When you loving on me, yo.
Did you know that vagina has protein?
Vagina? What the fuck is vagina?
Vagina.
Oh, vagina. Yes. What does it have?
Has protein.
I mean, damn, that explains why I love eating it. That does explain, bro.
You be eating it?
Oh, man, I'll be in that shit, like, devouring it. I swear to God.
High five.
High five to you. It's a lot of bad things. Well, you kind of fresh though with them big glasses, dude.
And I look fucking big.
I mean, they fit you though. I'm not going on. Are you Asian?
No.
Oh, you're not?
No, I'm Mexican, but I look.
Oh, you're just Mexican. Damn. That explains why I'm in love, because I love my Mexican girls. I swear to God.
Oh, really?
Man, I already fell in love with you.
That's it that you employ!
You're handsome yourself.
Yeah, boy.
I mean, thank you though. So together we'd be pretty cute. What do you think?
Yeah.
Nah, I'm dead ass though. I'm dead ass. Like, I'm not even joking. Oh, you kind of scared like your dad wouldn't like me, because I know the Mexican niggas are kind of like really racist.
Some of them. I don't have a dad.
Oh shit, damn. It's even better though. I'm not gonna lie. I'll be able to do whatever the fuck I want with you.
Nice.
Yes, sir. Where are you from?
I'm Haitian.
You're Asian?
I'm from Haiti. I'm from Haiti. So like, where we're going for a first date?
I don't know where you're taking me.
Go everywhere. It could be in the back of my car, right?
In the back of your car. It's great.
I mean, is that a bad thing? For a first date, I would make it up to you. I swear to God.
Interesting.
What do you mean interesting?
I'm trying to take you to the backseat of your car.
It could be like a little date together, make you live like someday you've never lived before. That's what I'm trying to say.
Okay.
What do you mean okay? Like, I want you to talk longer. You're talking as if you're not interested. I don't like that.
No, I'm just like that in general.
Nah, but on some real shit though. Are we gonna be together though? Am I gonna be your first or third boyfriend? Like, tell me about your love life.
I love life is shit. Guys hate shit.
Nah, don't say that. Don't say that. Don't say that. Don't say that. Because I am a good man though. I am a good man. So I can just let you generalize every man like that. Good ones exist.
Yeah, that's true. Not all guys are like that, but 99% of them are. They're cheaters.
I mean, you know what? You just come across the 1% good guys.
Oh, you're the 1%.
Yeah.
You look like a red flag, though.
What do you mean? What do you mean?
Yeah, you look like a little player.
Bro, don't say that, bro. I just like being like that. That's it.
Alright, so tell me about yourself. What do you like to do?
I like to do a lot of things. I love listening to music, just like you're doing right now.
Oh, really? We have stuff in common.
Yeah.
What else do you like to do for fun?
To be honest, I play games, but I find it like basic to do. So I go out and ride skateboards.
Okay, I wanted to learn how to ride a skateboard, but I never did. I know how to ride a longboard.
If you can ride a longboard, you can ride a skateboard too.
Yeah, I feel like it's like more like riskier, like the tires or something. I don't know.
Yeah, I get it, but yeah, I can show you how to fucking ride one day.
Yeah, that'd be cool. Do a trick or two. Maybe not.
I mean, damn. But the thing to do now is come see me. That's it. And I swear to God, I'll make it up to you like in every way.
Interesting. I like your accent.
Really? Oh man.
Yeah.
Thank you. But you know what I would like better though?
What?
Is our kids, like seeing them running around and calling you mommy. I swear to God, I would want to see that. I swear.
Do you have kids now?
No, I'm too young for that. I'm too young.
How old are you?
I'm 24.
But a lot of people have kids at a young age.
I mean, that's true. You're right. But me, I have a lot of plans, like a lot of goals to achieve, so I can just like have kids.
Yeah, that's true.
You, how many kids would you want in the future?
I think 2.
Just 2? You don't want 3, 4, 5, 6?
You want a whole soccer team or what?
No, to be honest, it would be hard, like, just to not look at you and give you more kids. It would have been hard.
Daddy.
No, but I'm being serious though. You look like a fucking star. You're shining as fuck. I swear.
Why you lied to me? You don't gotta lie.
Lie for what? I don't have any reason to lie though.
Are you a liar?
I mean, I lied. I lied before, but I wouldn't do that to like lie to you for what?
You lied to your partner?
I mean, I've lied multiple times, but it's like on some little shit, you know, just little stuff.
But like with your partner, with your girlfriend?
Yeah, I mean, everyone lies. Who doesn't lie? Who doesn't? Everyone.
Not with your partner. No.
What do you mean?
Sorry. Don't